Providence Healthcare is committed to providing a safe environment for all our caregivers, patients, and visitors. Our security services team is a pivotal part of our efforts. We'd like you to get to know the team and the services they provide so that you'll be aware of the resources available to you. Our security services team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. If you need to speak with an officer or get help, you can call Security Services. For Spokane County caregivers, call area code 509-474-7777. Stevens County caregivers can call 509-685-5421. We encourage caregivers to add these numbers to their phone so it's easily accessible. Our security services team is here to help. The security services team is made up of trained and qualified officers. We have officers at our acute ministries, Sacred Heart Medical Center, Holy Family Hospital, and Stevens County. Our officers also round at the Providence Medical Group clinics and urgent cares. Many of our officers have prior experience in law enforcement. Every security officer completes a basic academy and a field training officer program. In addition, each security officer completes mandatory, regular in-service trainings every year. The security services team includes several K-9 units. We introduced our K-9 program in 2019, and it's proven to be a profound addition to protecting our caregivers, patients, and visitors. This is the first K-9 program in a Washington state hospital. Our program has been used as a model at other Providence hospitals because it's been so successful. The K-9s can quickly de-escalate situations and are trained to provide enforcement if necessary. We have limited access points at our ministries for your safety. Your Providence-issued badge provides you access into our ministries and certain departments. It's important that you wear your Providence-issued badge above the waist and clearly visible when at work. Some departments, such as maternity and pediatric units, have additional security measures. We are always evaluating access to our hospitals to ensure safety. Workplace violence is an issue that all employees in healthcare face. In fact, outside of law enforcement, healthcare workers face more violence than any other profession. Because of this, Providence Healthcare is very proactive in our workplace violence prevention efforts. We have a dedicated committee comprised of nurses, leadership, food and environmental services leaders, HR, and more. The committee works together to address both pressing issues and long-term plans to enhance safety. The committee has made solid progress towards reducing workplace violence. Every caregiver has access to training and resources to help reduce violence. If an incident does occur, our team works to support a caregiver with reporting the incident, pressing charges if needed, and with emotional support from our mission team. If you ever experience a workplace violence event at Providence, we want to support you in any way. We encourage you to report the incident so your leaders and team can reach out to help. When you report workplace violence, it ensures we take all the steps necessary to address the incident, including your care, as well as preventing future incidents. Above all, we work to take appropriate action for those who are impacted by workplace violence. We've created a one-stop place that goes over workplace violence prevention at our Safe at PHC SharePoint site. Safe at PHC can be accessed by all caregivers from anywhere, anytime by mobile phone, laptop, or desktops. Safe at PHC has step-by-step directions on how to report a workplace violence incident. Caregivers can also learn about services for them, learn about types of workplace violence, view our prevention place and workplace violence policy, and access a prevention toolkit. Our officers host training several times a month to teach caregivers de-escalation techniques, self-defense, and how to safely control and restrain if necessary. You can learn more about these trainings and sign up for them on our Safe at PHC SharePoint site. We have several lots dedicated for employee parking at our ministries. If you're a caregiver serving in our Spokane County ministries and your commute to work is by car, we ask that you register your vehicle. Please contact the badging office located at Sacred Heart Medical Center on L3 and fill out a vehicle registration form. For parking, photo ID, and access requests, please call 509-474-5800. And remember, if you ever need an escort to your car or feel unsafe, call security. Community partners are an important part of our Security Services safety plan. Security Services partners with local, state, and federal law enforcement to investigate and respond to reports that may impact caregivers.
We care about you and your safety. The most important partnership is the one we have with you, but we can't do it alone. You are part of our security team. You are our eyes and ears. Here are a few ways you can be a great partner. If you see something, say something. Be proactive and report suspicious circumstances by calling 474-7777. Please always display your employee ID badge when working in and around our facilities. Please take advantage of our Trip Commuter program. If driving to work, be safe and always park legally when you get here. Whenever possible, use the buddy system when you are entering or leaving our facilities. We all have a stake in security. Together, we can continue to enhance safety for all.